Purple is feeling frisky.
And green was running around in a circle. Yeah, you were. Hey.
Who's in there? Who's in there? Hey, Chewy.
I know, Chewy's over here.
Oh, who was in there? Maybe it was... All right, let's see. Is it pink?
Yeah. And then there's, I think, there's another one. They're smothering it.
No. I think...
They're literally smothering it.
Hi. Hi, babies. This is pink.
What? There was 4 puppies.
There's lots.
Purple's very good. Oh.
Hi, Matt.
And she's coming for more kill. Is your name Killer? Ow.
Purple just left. Here's Toby, green collar. There's
Chewy,
yellow and Chewy,
definitely
light blue.
Chewy is definitely a good name for a Chewy.
Yeah, he's a chewer.
Oh.
Hi, Purple. Whoa.
He's trying to kill me.
Green's going under it. Pink. Hi. Guns a blazing. Hi, Pink.